Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your study abroad dreams with CEA Study Abroad, beginner guide step by step clearly. Recovering your study abroad dreams can feel daunting, but with CEA Study Abroad, it's achievable. Begin by assessing your academic goals. Reflect on what you hope to accomplish through studying abroad. Identify the countries and programs that align with your aspirations. Next, visit the CEA Study Abroad website. Explore the various program options available. Look for programs that fit your major or interests. Take note of application deadlines and requirements. Once you've selected a program, start gathering necessary documents. Prepare your transcripts, letters of recommendation, and personal statements. Reach out to your academic advisor for guidance. Discuss how studying abroad can enhance your educational experience. Now, let's talk about finances. Investigate scholarship opportunities through CEA and external sources. Create a budget that includes tuition, living expenses, and travel costs. After that, complete your application through the CEA platform. Double-check all submitted materials for accuracy. Once submitted, stay in touch with your program advisor for updates. When accepted, make sure to follow any pre-departure instructions. Attend any orientation sessions offered by CEA. These sessions will help you prepare for your journey. Consider enrolling in cultural classes or activities offered by CEA. Pack wisely and make sure to have all essential documents ready. As your departure date approaches, stay informed about travel requirements. Check visa regulations and health guidelines for your destination. Once you arrive, immerse yourself in the local culture. Engage with fellow students and form connections. Take full advantage of CEA's resources for support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.